Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make rajma. Now let us see the ingredients required to do rajma. Like this katori, one katori, I have taken this rajma. This is a small size rajma. You get bigger size rajma also. This is to be soaked overnight and then cooked, pressure cooked in the pressure cooker. What I have done, first I have taken 3 vessels and then lower the gas flame and then keep it for half an hour on the lower flame to cook. It should be very well cooked like this. Then I have taken 4 medium sized onion paste along with 1 inch ginger and 1 or 2 inch ginger and 15 pods of garlic. I have grinded them all together. Then I have taken the puree, tomato puree of 4 medium sized tomatoes. Besides this, the spices are red chili powder 2 teaspoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 3 teaspoons and garam masala powder like this 2 heaped teaspoons of garam masala powder. Besides that, when the oil gets heated, I have taken 4 ladles of oil. Into that I will be putting mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Along with that I will be putting bay leaf, 2 bay leaves, 2 star anise, 1 black cardamom, then 8 to 10 black pepper powder, black pepper seeds, then 4 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick, small stick. Let us begin. Now the oil must have heated. I put 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle. After they crackle, I'll be putting cumin seeds. Now this is getting crackled now. Now I will be putting cumin and along with that I'll be putting 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, 8 to 10 black pepper seeds and 1 black cardamom. Now let them get cooked. I'll put the gas flame to the lower medium. And now to this let them for another 1 more minute. And now I'll be putting onion paste and I will allow it to cook till the aroma, till it starts leaving some aroma. 5 to 10 minutes I'll be cooking. Or till till this gets cooked. It should start leaving the oil. See. The tender the smell of tender onion should go off. At the beginning, I have taken like this 4 ladles of oil. Into that I have added mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and then when they have crackled, I have added 2 bay leaves, 2 star anise, 8 to 10 black pepper seeds. Then I have put 1 cinnamon stick, small stick, and after they have been cooked, I have added onion paste of 4 medium size onion paste. Now I will lower the gas flame, and to it I'll be adding tomato puree, and I will let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Now the raw taste of tomato onion is gone, and both onion and tomato are very well cooked. Now to this we will be adding spices. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 spoons of coriander powder, and 2 heaped teaspoons of garam masala powder. Along with this, I'll be adding salt according to your taste. So here I'm adding 2 heaped teaspoons of salt. Now I will mix all these spices together, and I will allow it to cook for say 1 minute till all the spices get cooked. And after all the spices are being cooked into this, I'll be adding rajma along with some water. Let this cook for a minute. My spices are cooked. Now into this I am adding rajma, and to this I am going to add this water of tomato, the leftover water, and I will mix. And now I will allow it to cook, simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now my rajma is here ready. I have allowed it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and now my rajma is ready. Now it can be served. Take care that you are not adding bay leaves to while serving. Now I will finish it with some fresh cream, and with some coriander. This is how my rajma look like. If you like my recipe, kindly subscribe my channel, like my videos, and write your comments and suggestions into the comments box, and do share my recipe in your friend circle. Thank you.